Tired of that stubborn belly fat? Let's get straight to it. No fluff, no fillers. 10 foods that'll torch that belly fat fast. 1. Avocados, not just for toast. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats that help burn off that visceral fat around your organs. Bonus, they're delicious. 2. Greek yogurt. The probiotics in Greek yogurt balance your gut bacteria, reducing bloating and giving your metabolism a kickstart. Plus, it's a protein powerhouse. 3. Green tea. Sip your way to a slimmer waistline. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, especially EGCG, which boosts fat burning. Drink up. 4. Berries. These tiny fruits are loaded with fiber and antioxidants, helping you stay full and fight fat. They're sweet, satisfying, and simply amazing for your waistline. 5. Salmon, packed with omega-3 fatty acids. Salmon helps decrease inflammation and promote fat loss. It's a fish that fights fat. How cool is that? 6. Eggs, high in protein and loaded with healthy fats. Eggs will keep you full and energized. Plus, they help with muscle repair, making your workouts more effective. 7. Almonds. Just a handful of these nuts can stabilize your blood sugar and keep your cravings in check. They're small but mighty. 8. Quinoa. It's not just trendy. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it has all 9 essential amino acids. It's great for burning fat and keeping your belly in check. 9. Chili peppers. Feeling the heat. That's capsaicin at work, boosting your metabolism and helping you burn more calories. Spice up your meals and watch the fat melt away. 10. Dark chocolate? Yes, you read that right. A little dark chocolate can curb your sweet cravings and reduce stress hormones, which are notorious for belly fat storage. Just don't go overboard.